Okay.
Hi, my name is Hannah Bautista. I am going to sing On My Own by Lainey Sarab. On my own, pretending he's beside me. All alone, I walk with him till morning. Without him, I feel his arms around me. And when I lose my way, I close my eyes, and he has found me. In the rain, the pavement shines like silver. All the lights, the misty in the river. In the darkness, the trees are full of starlight. And all I see is him and me, forever and forever. And I know he's only in my mind. And I'm talking to myself, not to him. And although I know that he is right, still I say there's no way for us. I love him, but when the night is over, he is gone. A river's just a river. In the darkness, the trees are full of starlight, and all I say is him and me, forever and forever. I love him. I love him. I love him, but only on my own. Thank you.
Yay!